quick walk around video here of a Porsche 911 Targa 4S, new in at Prestige Cars Kent. The car finished in racing yellow. You got the 20-inch Carrera S alloy wheels, an added optional extra, with the red painted calipers to go against the yellow exterior paint. You've also got the sports exhaust system, also an added optional extra. Moving inside now, you can see that this car's got a very unique grey leather interior, which goes very well with the colour of the exterior. You can see this car's been spec'd with the PDK 7-speed shifter, as well as the Bose surround sound system, both optional extras from the factory. This car comes with the Sports Chrono package, which gets you the timer on the dash, the Sports Plus button, the launch control system, as well as a lot of other features. This car in all is a very unique item here at Prestige Cars Kent and won't last long. If you'd like any more information on the car, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.